Welcome everyone. We have developed library management system for better management of library. Our team members are Vishwanath, Rohan, Raman and Prajwal. Library management system is used to maintain the record of the library. Library management system allows the librarian to maintain library resource in a more operative manner. Library management system consists of user interface and library database at the backend. Our system is developed with modern UI element so it will be user friendly and can be used easily. Now coming to requirements. Under requirements we have functional requirement and non-functional requirement. Under functional requirement, the, the librarian can add new books, can add new members, can view list of all books, can view list of all members, and issue a book to a member if the book is available, and can update the database if the member returns the book. Now, second, we have non-functional requirement. Under non-functional requirement, we have safety requirements. The database may get crashed at any certain time due to virus or operating system failure. Therefore, it is required to take the database backup. Now, afterwards, we have security requirements. The system should be secure to avoid any unauthorized access to the system. And after that, we have software quality attributes, and the quality of the database is maintained in such a way that it is user friendly. And fourth one, we have hardware constraints. The system requires a database in order to store persistent data. And fifth one, we have a performance requirement. The system should remain accessible 24/7. And last, we have software constraints. The development of the system will be constrained by the availability of required software such as database and development tools. Now coming to the artifacts for our library management system. First one is use case diagram. Here we have two actors, librarian and members. Librarian can log in into the system. Librarian can add new member. Librarian can add new book. Librarian can view list of all book members. Librarian can view list of all books. Librarian can issue book if the book is available, and librarian can return a book. And member can log in into the system. Members can view a list of members, and member can view list of books. After that, we have a sequence diagram. Here, first the librarian need to enter the login details. Then the system send those details to the database, and if the details are valid, then the database send a reply with a message valid details to the system. And after that, the system will display a welcome screen. If the librarian want to add new book, then the librarian need to enter all the details related to the book, and then the system send those details to the database. After the database is updated, then the database send updated successfully message to the system. Then the system display new book added successfully message to librarian. If the likewise, if the librarian want to add new member, the librarian need to enter all the details related to the member. Then the system sends those details to the database. After the database has been updated, the database sent a updated successfully message back to the system. Then the system display new member added successfully. Now if the librarian want to issue a book, at that time the librarian need to enter the name of the book and the user ID of the member. After that, the librarian send both these details to the database to validate those. After that, the database validate the member details. If the details are valid, then the database sent a valid detail message back to the system. After that, the system uh, tells the database to check the availability. Then the if the book is available, then the database send back the message that book is available. And after that, if the book is available, then the book is if the book is available, then the book is issued to the member, and the database is updated. After that, database updated message is sent back to the system, and then the system displays book issued a successfully message to the librarian. And if the librarian want to return a book, then the librarian need to enter book name and user ID of the member. Then those details are sent to the database. Then they are valid, then the book is returned, and the database is updated. After the database is updated, database send back message that database updated successfully to the system. After that, the system displays book returned successfully. If the librarian want to exit the system, he can click on the exit button. After clicking on exit button, the system interface displays thank you message. This is our class diagram. These are all the classes which we used in our project: library management system, welcome, add new member, login, dashboard, view books, issue book, view members, book issued, add new book, return book. And it contains all the methods which are used in the class, and all the variables. After that, we have activity diagram. This is the activity diagram for issuing a book. First, the librarian need to enter the login details. Then the system validates the librarian details. If the details are invalid, then the system display a message that access denied, enter correct details. If the librarian click on exit button, then the system will get closed, and otherwise it will again ask for login details. If the librarian enter the correct details, now the librarian system will display the welcome screen. Now the librarian need to enter the member detail and a book detail. Then the system first check if the book is available or not. If the book is not available, then it redirect to the issue book screen, so that other book can be issued to the member. And if the book is available, then the system validates the member details. If the member details are not valid, then it redirect to the issue book screen, so that the librarian can issue a book to other members. If the details are valid, then the book get issued to that member, and the database get updated, and this then the book issued successfully message is displayed. If the librarian click on logout button, then then the system will get closed. Otherwise, it will get back to the welcome screen. This is our ER diagram. Here we have admin, librarian, roles, members, and books. Librarian manages admin manages librarian. Here we have admin, which manages the login details like ID and admin ID and admin password. And here we have librarian who manages members. Librarian has roles. Librarian can have many roles, and for each role we have ID, role name, and role description. And here the one admin can manage many librarians. Here a librarian manages members, adding member, issuing a book, returning book. For this, for members, we have a user ID, name, contact number, email ID, and image. And members can have a book. Member has a book. For book, we have a ISBN number, book name, author, price, and book name. This is our ER diagram. This is all about all the artifacts which are related to our library management system. Now I will show you the working demo of our library management system. At first it will show this welcome screen. After that we need to enter the login details. We have set the login details as for admin ID KLS underscore GIT and password as KLGIT at GIT and we have set the password as GIT123. And now if we enter a wrong password, something like this, and try to log in, it will show invalid credential, try again. So we need to enter correct login details. Now I will enter the login details again, GIT123. After a successful login, it will show this dashboard. Here we have add new member, view members, add new book, view books, issue a book, return a book, list of book issued, about us. When I click on issue a book, this will take us to the screen which shows list of all the members. As we have not added any member till now, this table is empty. And when we click on view books, this table shows list of all books available in the library, as we have not added any book till now, so this is empty. First we will add a member. Here, after clicking add a new member, this screen will pop up. That button redirected to this screen. Here it will ask for login details, and in this user ID lib001 will be automatically generated by the system. So we need to enter the login details. VISHWANATH, contact number 9019199891, email ID VISHWANATH987SAMAGI@gmail.com. Now here we have a browse button. When we click on this button, a pop-up will show which will ask for the image which we want to upload. After the selection of image, the image will be shown here. Now if we want to, when we click on submit button, it will show data inserted successfully. All these information and with this image has been inserted into the database. This image is inserted into the database in a blob data type. Let's see, now we have added a member. Let's see that member has been added to the database or not. When we click on view members, it will show list of all members. Just now we have added this member Vishwanath, this detail with Vishwanath with user ID lib001. Now let's add a few more members to the system. Raman 90199890, 18 raman @gmail.com. Then we need to select the image. Here is the image which we need to insert into the database. After clicking submit, data inserted successfully. Now we will add two more members. Rohan 1232451234. Rohan @gmail.com. After clicking submit, data inserted successfully. Now we will insert the last member. Prajwal 12345678 Prajwal @gmail.com. After clicking submit, it will show data inserted successfully. Now through this we have inserted 4 member into the database. Now let's see, when we click on this button view members, those all 4 member details are available or not, and those details are inserted into the database or not. When I click on this table is filled with all those 4 member details. First we have inserted Vishwanath, then we inserted Raman, then we inserted Rohan, then we inserted Prajwal. When we click on view books button, it shows empty. Now we will add some books. Add new books. ISBN number. ISBN number is the number which is printed on the back of the book in the QR code form, which is unique for each book. 876754. Java Fundamentals. Author Bert. And a price 600. Then we need to select the image. This is the image of Java Fundamentals book. After clicking on submit button, the data will be inserted into the database. Now let's check if the database if the book has been added to the library management system or not. When you click on view book, which show list of all books available in the database, here we can see that library management system, in this library management system, Java fundamental book has been added successfully. Here is the image of this book, and here is the ISBN number, price, author, Java fundamentals. Now we will add some more books into the database. 87476345456. Computer networking. Author John S. Price 1000. After clicking browse button, we need to select the image of that book. This is the book. After clicking submit button, it will show data inserted successfully. Then we will add one more book, 124256, and cell and molecular biology. Author M. Core price 1500, and after that we need to select the image. This is the image of the book Cell and Molecular Biology. After we click on submit button, data inserted, it will show a message that data inserted successfully into the database. By the use of this, we have inserted 3 books. Now let's see all these 3 books are inserted properly into the database or not. Now we will click on view books. As we can see, first we have added Java fundamentals, then we added computer networking, then we added cell and molecular biology. All the books are properly inserted into the database. This button is used to issue a book. This button is used to return a book. First, let's check if any book has been issued to those members which we have just created. First, I will click on this button, list of book issued to a member. Then this screen will ask for the user ID lib001. After clicking submit button, it will show the user details, member details with user ID, name, contact number, email ID, and on the right side it show list of book issued to this member. As we have not issued any book to this member, it is empty. And let's check for second member lib002. This is the details of second member, and as we have not issued any book to second member, this list of book issued to this member table is empty. Now let's issue some book to the first member with the user ID lib001, name Vishwanath. Issue a book. After clicking issue a book button, it will ask for book name. Either we can enter the book name or we can enter ISBN number. Actually, in actual practice, ISBN number are added are used to issue a book, as they can be scanned. But our purpose, we can use both book name and ISBN number. I will enter the name of the book which I will issue to the user with the user ID lib001. I will issue Java fundamentals. Java fundamentals, and user ID lib. First, the Java fundamentals book and lib. This is the user ID of Vishwanath. After clicking issue button, it will take us to this confirmation page where it issue a message that book issued successfully, and on the left side it will show the image of the book which is issued just now, and ISBN number, related details, ISBN number, book name, author, price, and on the right side it shows the user ID with image, name, contact number, and email ID. Now get back to the dashboard. Now let's check whether we have successfully issued Java fundamentals book to the user with username Vishwanath and user ID lib001. Now after clicking list of book issued to a member button, it will show this, and now it will ask for the user ID lib001. After clicking submit button, it will show lib. details and the list of book issued to the member, as we have just issued Java Fundamentals book to lib and with the username Vishwanath. Now I will issue one more book to this user ID. User issue one more book. Computer networking lib 001. After clicking issue, it will show the message that book issued successfully, and here are the details of the member, and here the details of the book. Now let's check the book is issued or not to the member lib 001. As we can see, first we have issued Java Fundamentals. After that we have issued computer networking book. Now we have issued two book to the first member. Now I will issue one book to the second member. Let's check how is there any book issued to the second member or not. Lib 002. As we can see, there is no book issued to the second member. Second member name is Raman, and with user ID lib 002. After clicking back to dashboard, we will issue the book. Then we will issue cell and molecular biology book to Raman with user ID lib 002. Cell and molecular biology lib 002. Now after clicking this button, this book will be issued to this user. But if we enter some wrong details of the book name, wrong book name, and try to issue the book, then it will show book not found and enter correct details. So, and in place of wrong book name, if we try to enter wrong user ID, it will show user ID not found, enter correct details. So every time we need to enter correct details, as these details are verified with the database. So after entering cell and molecular biology book name and user ID lib 002, the name of this lib 002 user is Raman. After click issue, this book cell and molecular biology is successfully issued to this member Raman with user ID lib 002. Now let's check whether the book has been successfully issued to Raman or not. Lib 002. As we can see, few seconds earlier we have checked the list of book issued to Raman. This table was empty. Now we have issued cell and molecular biology book to Raman, and as we have inserted issued this book, that's why it is showing here. Now what we will try is that as this book is issued to Raman, now I will try to issue the same book to Vishwanath with the lib 001 first member. Let's see what happens. Cell and molecular biology, cell and molecular biology lib 001. Cell and molecular biology book. We have just issued this book to Raman, and Raman still Raman has not returned this book. Let's see what happens if we try to issue the same book to the first member. then it will show book already issued to another member, as because just now we have issued cell and molecular biology book to Raman. That's why it is showing the showing that a book already issued to another member. Now here list of book issued to the members. Here are the list of book issued to the first member, Java Fundamentals and Computer Networking. Now if we try to issue the same book, this book Java Fundamentals, to this user, to this member again, then let's see what happens. Issue a book Java Fundamentals, Java Fundamentals lib 001, a book already issued to this member, as we already issued the Java Fundamental book to Vishwanath with user ID lib 001. So as we just saw, we have issued two book to lib two book to first member. First member has a advanced Java fundamental book and a computer networking book, and second member has cell and molecular biology book. Now I will return the cell and molecular biology book taken by Raman. Return the book cell and molecular biology, cell and molecular biology and lib. We have issued this book cell and molecular biology book to Raman with the user ID lib 002. Now let's return the book. After returning the book, this book has been successfully returned by Raman with the user ID lib 002. Now if we try to return, now let's check if the book has been successfully returned or not by entering the user ID of the second member lib 002 Raman. As we can see, the list of book issued here few seconds earlier we saw cell and molecular biology book was showing. Now it is empty because we have already returned that book. Now the cell and molecular biology book is available in the library, so we can issue that book to the first member Vishwanath. Let's see first member which are the book issued to the first member. As we can see, first member have two books, Java Fundamentals and Computer Network. Now we will issue one more book, Cell and Molecular Biology, which is just written by Raman. After issuing that book to the first member lib 001, the Cell and Molecular Biology will appear here. Now let's see. Issue a book, Cell and Molecular Biology lib 001. Now this book of Cell and Molecular Biology has been successfully issued to the first member lib 001. Now let's check if the book has been issued to the first member or not lib 001. As we can see, Cell and Molecular Biology has been successfully issued to this member with user ID lib 001 and name Vishwanath. This book just few seconds earlier Raman with user ID has returned this book, and after returning that book, this book was available in the library, so the librarian has issued this book to the member with user ID lib 001 and name Vishwanath. Now I will now I now the lab now I will return all these three books, all these three books, all these three. Now we will click on return a book. I will return all those three books which are issued to first member. First book was Java Fundamentals, second book was Computer Networking, and third book was Cell and Molecular Biology. Let's return all those three books. First was Java Fundamentals lib 001. After clicking this, it will show book returned successfully. I want to enter another book. Second book was Computer Networking lib 002. Computer networking is not issued to second. Computer networking issued to first member. We are removing the details of first member. Computer networking issued to first member. Now let's return the book Computer Networking. After clicking return book, it shows a book returned successfully. Return. Now we have returned Java Fundamentals and Computer Networking. Now only one book is remaining with the user ID lib001 first member. The book of the name of the book is Cell and Molecular Biology lib 001. After clicking return, all the three books has been successfully returned. This is the last book which is returned by this user. Let's see. Now we have we have returned all the books issued to the first member with a user ID lib001 and name Vishwanath. Let's check if all those three books has been returned successfully or not by entering the user ID of first member Vishwanath lib001. After clicking submit button, it will show the list of books issued table. Here this table is empty as we have written all those three books. Here the detail of the member. After clicking back to dashboard, when we click on about us button, it will take us to this screen. Here these are all the details of our team members: Vishwanath, Rohan, Raman, and PRAJWAL. After the librarian done with all the operation related to library, if we want to log out of the system, he can click on logout button. After logout, after clicking on logout button, he will be redirected to the login screen. If we want to log in again into the system, he can enter the login details and click login button. If we want to exit, he can click on exit button and exit the system. We will now exit the system. As we have exited the system, this was our live demo. Now conclusion: the library management system allows the librarian to store the information related to books and members, and the library management system need to be computerized to reduce human errors and to increase the efficiency. And thank you and have a nice day.